have probably seen a nail dip company, Revel Nail, come out with their brand new peel-off base coat called Clean Slate. Peelable, not peel-off, peelable base coat called Clean Slate, and it's a new thing. It cost $7 for this bottle, so I figured I'd buy it, try it out, see how it worked, use it in the same way that I've used all of my other peel-off base coats, which is over layers of builder gel. So I'm going to take you guys through that experience and how it worked out for me, but I do want to start with one disclaimer.
Everybody's different, everybody's different. What you do in a day is different than what I do in a day, and how many times you wash your hands is different than how many times I wash my hands. How you do your nails is different than mine, therefore your experiences with Clean Slate is going to be different than mine unless we're like identical twins and do the same exact thing.
So, without further ado, now that the disclaimer's out of the way, keep on watching. So to start off the video, I want to introduce day 6 of the 10K giveaways, and today's day is featuring Candi Skincare. I will be using Candi Skincare products in this video, so if you want to win a $25 gift card to Candi Skincare, all you have to do is comment below what your favorite cuticle oil scent is. Mine personally is cotton candy and pumpkin spice, so definitely leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite scent is. Maybe I'll check it out and purchase it. The Revel Nail Clean Slate Peelable Base Coat comes in a bottle like this, so it's not like pink latex base, it's not that. So what I did on my nails is on this hand I have one coat of peel base over on this hand, and then on the other hand right here I put on 2 coats of peel base. So my left hand has been on a little longer for a total of 4 days, and my right hand has been on for a total of 3 days, and I have not experienced any lifting or peeling or popping off at all in any corner of my nails. It's like stuck on there. So I am impressed by the durability and longevity of this peel base. So I will say that as a pro if you're trying to get long wear out of your peel base, like someone who's going to go around for 2 weeks and wants to pop them off. So before I pop off my nails, I do like to apply cuticle oil. In my experience, this helps aid in how well it pops off and makes the whole operation easier. It feels like an operation, like my god. So what I'm going to do is lay down a paper towel to help really just collect all of the poppy pop-offs. I'm going to be using Revel Nail's new Cuticle Nippers, and I'm going to use that to help pop off. I'm literally doing the same thing I do for any brand peel base. I like to file the edges, my free edge, to really help in getting off the top coat. This way it exposes the side walls, so I'm able to see where my builder gel starts and where my dip powder starts. So usually I will take my cuticle nippers and wedge them between those 2 areas. It usually is pretty easy for me to pop off. Usually when I get a little lift, then it comes off in a one go. But this is with other brands peel base. This is my first impressions and first experience with the Revel Nail peel base. So right off the bat, I'm already struggling. It's stuck on there. It almost has me questioning, like, did you even put on peel base? I know I did, but my goodness, it was on there so good that it had me doubting myself. So I got two little bits off. So this is not enjoyable for me because I'm used to my popping off in like 1, maybe 2 or 3 big chunks. It's not typical for me to experience popping off in such small pieces. I'm giving up on my thumb for now. I'll come back to it later. So right now I'm doing the same process where I'm filing the free edge and trying to wedge a sharp tool between the peel base and the dip powder. So back to the cuticle nippers I went. This color is coming off a little bit easier than the red did. So as you can tell, it's still coming off in really small chunks, but at least I'm getting more off than I did with the red. So I do want to move over to my middle finger in a second because it's made of a flaky dip. So it's a flaky white dip powder. So I, in the past, have had experiences with flaky kind of colors popping off really, really easily. So hopefully at least the white dip will come off easier. Once I really got it going, it got a lot easier the further back I went on the nail for me to pop off the dip powder. So I will say the white one is coming off easier, as you can tell based on the progress I've made on the red one. I feel like I spent more time on the red one trying to get that one off than I have on the other two nails so far. See, that's coming off a lot easier. So, by the way, if you want to know, I have Dipalicious Rose Pink Builder Gel on my nails, and it is shiny. I do typically use and keep my builder gel shiny. Sometimes I get lazy and I keep it buffed. It really just depends. So I'm giving my thumb another shot. Maybe this time it will budge, who knows. So I did see in the Revel Nail Facebook community group over, obviously, on Facebook, that some people had great experiences with the Revel Nail Peel Base, and these people in particular, they did not use it over builder gel. They were using the peel base on their natural nail. So I do want to leave a disclaimer that you might have better luck doing this on your natural nail than I did using it over builder gel. So that's just some food for thought. So I will say, since I am someone who kind of saves their peely pop-offs, it does make me sad to see this one go in chunks because I was hoping to be able to salvage this cute little shark that I did on my mani last week. I just think it's so freaking cute, and I would have loved to be able to save that in my little jar of peely pop-offs. If you think that's weird, hey, let me have my things, my weird things. Don't kill my joy. So if there's any residue left on the nail, I am just buffing it off really easily. I'm gonna give the thumb another try, guys. I just don't know why it's being so difficult to get off. Just a reminder, I did 2 layers of peel base on my left hand. So the red that is struggling, it has 2 layers of peel base. And I have 1 layer of peel base on my right hand. And as always, I'm applying cuticle oil just to help the process. Maybe I just need more oil involved in this situation. I also want to put it out there because obviously you guys can tell so far this isn't the greatest review on the planet. I know there will be people who think I'm trying to bash Revel. That is absolutely not the truth. That is incorrect. I love Revel. Like, I have a soft spot in my heart for Revel. But if I have a less than stellar experience with one of their products, I am going to be honest with my audience because I want to be able to put out honest reviews over on my YouTube channel and my Instagram so that consumers know exactly what type of product they're getting and how it will work. So I know a lot of people who follow me use builder gel and then peel base right on top of that builder gel and then dip over that. So many people do that process the same way that I do. So if you do the process that I do, the same way I just did it in this mani, you're probably gonna experience the same problem I'm having now, where it's not coming off that easily. But if you're someone who does this on your natural nail, I hope that you have the great experience that I've seen some of the other customers in their Facebook community group have. So Just a reminder for those who think that I'm just dogging on Revel. No, I love that company. Like I said earlier, I just want to be true and honest and transparent with my audience because it's not always sunshine and rainbows. So let's get comfortable with negative reviews being a thing. It's called constructive criticism for a reason. I honestly don't have much to say. I'm not speechless. I'm just sitting here mulling over what my thoughts are. You can see that obviously there's still peel base on this nail, so you can visibly tell that I actually applied peel base to my nail because the peel base is still there when I peel off the dip powder. So, I don't know. I'm never going to use peel base on my natural nail. Or I say never, but it's just not my thing. So I don't really care to feel like I wasted $7. It's only $7, and I'm trying to remember if I used rewards or not. So if I did a 50% off for $3.50. So it's not much money wasted for me, $3.50 to experiment for you guys so that you can decide if this is a good product for your nail routine. So I hope that this video was insightful, and if you are someone who does peel base on their natural nails, hey, maybe you'll actually give it a shot. But this is going in my little pile of things that I do not like to use. So that's my thoughts. Those are my opinions. I hope that this video was helpful in helping you make an informed decision on whether or not you should get the Revel Nail Clean Slate and if it works good for your nail routine. I use builder gel on my nails, so peel base goes right over the builder gel. I personally do not like using it on my natural nails because of bad experiences in the past, and if my dip powder pops off, you best believe I want a foundation of support. This way I don't break a nail and I can like wait days before I do my nails again. I don't have to rush to put clear dip powder or colored dip powder on my nails. I can take my time. So that's why builder gel is more important to me than a $7 bottle of peel base that didn't really work out for me. But if it works out for you, definitely let me know your routine, especially if you use builder gel. I definitely want to know your routine and how you got this to work for you and possibly a better pop-off or a clean pop-off. I'm really intrigued on how to make this work because it's really affordable. It just didn't work for my nail routine. So if you found this video helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it, and consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!